Alrighty, so I am here at Painted Tree. This is the model home for Century Living, the Magnolia floor plan. So this floor plan has 6 different elevations, okay? I love this openness of this front porch, the overhang, everything is super cute. You've got your elongated entry. Here is bedroom number 1 when you come in off the entry to the left-hand side. So this could be a great home office, guest bedroom. And then you have your full bath down here. Now the shower is an upgrade. So the standard property comes without the shower. I'm going to get pricing for all the upgrades that are in the model home that we might be able to add, of course, if we decide to move forward. So right here was the laundry room with the built-in cabinetry. They do provide all the hardware. This would be the garage, but it's the sales office right now. I love the hidden staircase. We're going to go up there next. So when you come in, got your kitchen. I love a gas stove. You've got that 6-burner stove. It's very cozy in here. Walk-in pantry. Tons of cabinet space. Love it. Dedicated formal dining area. One thing I really love about the floor plan is it has a really unique ceiling. So it has the curve at the top here, which is really unique. All of these properties are going to be built on 50-foot lots. I am getting quotes for the corner lots that are available in phase 2. I can go outside. Hold on, I wanted to show you the yard. Here we go. Okay. So honestly, I mean, it's a good size yard. So she said that even though they're all on 40-foot lots, some are deeper than others, and the corner lots are going to be your deeper, larger lots, or they feel larger because they're deeper. So those are the ones that I've asked on for the availability and if there is a lot premium for those. Really beautiful finishes. Mariah Carey not included, okay? Just so you know. So your primary is off of the backyard right here, nice size. Large shower with a seat. Hey. You've got dual sinks here for you guys. Okay. Large walk-in closet. Built-ins, and you've got a little peekaboo cubby for extra storage here, which is nice. Technically under the stair storage, hidden. I am always a fan of that. Toiletry area, linen closet here. Nice, deep. It's very cozy. I love this layout. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. One thing I really like also about this particular layout is, you know, if you guys are downstairs enjoying your time together and the kids are upstairs, even though it's upstairs, it's all kind of like enclosed. So we have a media room here, which is really nice. And then you have your game room. I really love the layout of the bedrooms in the upstairs here. So here is secondary bathroom upstairs. I love that the bathtub and the sink area are separate. Makes it really nice. Nice deep bathtub. So if someone, is going to, taking a shower and somebody wants to come out of the media room and wash their hands or whatever, they can do so. So here is bedroom number 1 upstairs. Love this furniture. Irina, you already know. Let me show you the closet. Okay. Nice deep walk-in closet. Here is bedroom number 2. Great size, standard French door closet. I also really love the modern railing of the staircase up here. Linen. And then you have this bedroom, which is super cool. It's an ensuite, obsessed, obviously. And it just has a really cool layout. I don't know, I love it. You've got your own little bathroom here, which is really nice. Stand-up shower. Awesome layout. All right, guys, I'm gonna get some information for us and then I will get that over to you.